Hi everyone, we're at the annual cake show of Bangalore. This event was started almost 48 years ago by Mr. C. Ramachandra. The annual cake show has gained tremendous popularity. The creative themes showcased in this exhibition have also grown in number. IBCA, along with My Baker's Mart, aims to give all trainers, students and team of sugar craftsmen a platform. Since we have been attempting structures of this nature for innumerable years, our caliber has given us insights in recreating innovating fondant, gum paste, edible lace, food color and edible spray effects. These ideas are conceptualized almost 6 months in advance, and we try to understand the nature of 3D sugar cake structures and recreate them in the most lifelike manner using various edible materials. We enjoy fostering, liberating our creatives to think out of the box and bring our visions to life. The zeal and enthusiasm with which our institute bustles around this festive time truly engages each and every one of us to work as a team and tackle all obstacles involved. All of us may come back each year with more as a team and tackle all obstacles that lie before us with everyone's creative input involved, all of which makes us come back at the end of each year all the more efficient and skilled. This year's theme has been designed around good and evil, nature and harmony, and history and remembrance. So this is the most challenging structure that we have attempted so far. This weighs about almost 4,000 kilos and has about 1,100 bricks, which were each handmade and placed by a team of members, namely Chunnu, Mahesh, Rahul, Arun, Deepak, Pramod, Shantanu, Anjanu, Asha, Jivika, Vaishnavi, Nikita, Narmada, Shweta and Rashya. It took about 3.5 months to make. This Cathedral of Basilica Sacred Heart is the 5th largest in North America, the seat of the Roman Catholic in New York. This structure is a Gothic revival style of architecture, and the construction began in 1899 and was finished in 1954. You can see this is extremely detailed. Before me is a cake that represents a scene of Shushruta. Here you can see his disciples surrounding him. He's a physician in ancient India, known today as the father of Indian medicine and the father of plastic surgery. He's known for inventing and developing surgical procedures. Shushruta is the most celebrated physician and surgeon in India. Though he practiced during the 5th century BC, many of his contributions and surgery precede similar discoveries in the Western world even today. He invented his own tools and he also conducted eye operations. Before us, we can see the Ashoka pillar built in 250 BC by the Mauryan Empire Ashoka. It is also called the Dhammathamba. It represents the 4 lions in the Indian national emblem, which symbolize power, courage, strength and confidence. These lions face all 4 directions to spread the message of Dhamma throughout Sarnath. It was initially adopted as the emblem of India in 1947. So we call this cake the Christmas High Tea. The tradition of Christmas High Tea began in England in the 1700s as an afternoon meal served between 3 to 4 p.m. Initially, it was a meal for the working class, taken standing up or sitting on tall stools, thus named high. Tea with cakes, scones or even cheese on toast was served. Our evergreen stand is adorned with delightful sugary cupcakes which are embellished with delicate handmade edible sugar craft which are piped on the cupcakes. Also, you can see various breads of various natures that we have placed around this tree. It has a very Christmassy and festive feel to it. It's embellished with sugar craft throughout and also lace work. The statue of Behrania is a victory column located in Kyiv. It's in the Independence Square commemorating the independence of Ukraine. The monument itself is a column with a figurine of a woman, Behrania. There's also a gilder rose branch in her hand. She is regarded as the female spirit, which recently came regarded as the salvic goddess, with the function of a heart mother, protectress of the home. This particular statue is also covered with wafer paper which is painted gold. You can also see there's bead work, there's lace work. On top you can see the use of wafer paper again. And there's also edible glitter dust used on this cake. Before me, you can see a very intricate structure, which is also an egg. We call it the golden egg, but it's called the Faberge egg. It's created using wafer paper and fondant art. As many as 69 of these Faberge eggs exist today, and it was created under the supervision of Peter Carl Faberge between 1885 to 1917. In just a few years' time, electric vehicles on the road In just a few years' time, vehicles on the road would look nothing like they do today. EVs use electric charge to charge their batteries instead of fossil fuels like petrol and diesel, which make them more efficient, environment friendly in terms of noise and air pollution. This cake is called Snake and Eagle's Shadow. It's a 3-tier cake. Here you can see the serpent in the eagle's shadow. The striking tile work is created using geometric tile patterns. This art form is called Zelish in Morocco. The snake depicts fertility, the creative life force, namely the Kundalini energy system. The shedding of the skin symbolizes rebirth, transformation, immortality, and healing. The eagle symbolizes honesty, truth, majesty, strength, courage, wisdom, power, and freedom. As they roam the sky, they are believed to have special connection to God, as above, so below. This is a beautifully crafted traditional Indian floral cake. There are various flowers used in the making of this cake. You can see the lotus that symbolizes purity and resilience, which grows in murky water. You also have roses, which are commonly associated with love and romance. They are exchanged between lovers in different colors, which can also mean different things. Marigolds symbolize positive emotions and energy. They're effective in bringing joy and optimism. That's why they have this vibrant color. Also on top we have the jasmine flower, which blooms at night. It symbolizes love, beauty, and sensuality. This cake is wrapped with beautiful and intricate lace, which are also used in different parts of this cake. You can see various patterns of lace work which are used, and there are also beads on top. And there's various beadworks also used throughout the making of this cake. So right on this table, we can see 7 mini cakes designed by my friend Nikita. Here you can see the cocomelon cake, the angel theme cake, the kitchen cake, the travel cake, the dance theme cake, the tower cake, and also the unicorn cake. Multitasking is an attribute of women. The kitchen cake carries many meanings, such as family, home, and comfort, which a girl grows in charge to take care of. Angels symbolize a connection between the spiritual world and the earth. Christians view angels as a messenger between God and man. The cocomelon theme cake leans into the power of repetition. Anyone with toddlers will tell you that repetition is the fastest way to capture any child's fascination. I personally love this angel theme cake because the wings of this angel are made with wafer paper. The kitchen cake is super intricate, where you can see the countertops are basically, they have like various food items kept there. You can see this cute little turkey. This is also an edible photo print that they've used as the stovetop. The tower cake, you can see the tree. The tree is basically made with wafer paper. It's extremely squishy and fun to play with.